Good morning, first PG students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Explanation totally. Mean deviation about mean deviation about median. Mean deviations are two types: mean deviation for grouped data, mean deviation for ungrouped data. Mean deviation per grouped data only one type. Mean deviation per grouped data are two types: discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. So each distribution, each one formula, okay, are completed. Today go to the exercise. Exercise 15.1. Find mean deviation about mean for the data in exercise 1 to 2. Find mean deviation about the mean for the data. Mean deviation about the mean for the data. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, first of all, example problem. Mean deviation ungrouped data. Mean deviation ungrouped data to ungrouped data. Mean deviation about mean deviation about median. So first one, mean deviation first problem number 1. Find mean deviation about mean. Find mean deviation. Find mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean. Problem 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 observations. Mean about mean. First, this is mean deviation ungrouped data or grouped data. First we have to decide. The only observations are given means only observations are given. This is mean deviation for ungrouped data, only observations. What is the formula? Mean deviation about mean formula. Mean deviation of formula first. Mean deviation of x bar is equal to, what is the formula? Sigma mod xi minus x bar by no. This is the formula. Xi minus x bar by no. I means what? I is equal to 1 to n. This is the formula. Here what we want? Small n. Small n means number of observations. Xi means observation. X1 first observation, X2 second observation, X3 means third one 10, X4 12, X5 13, X6 4, X7 8, X8 X8 12. This is the one. So next x bar means mean. How to find out mean x bar? First x bar. X bar is equal to, how to find out x bar? What is the formula of x bar? Ungrouped data. Sum of the observation by number of observations. Sum of the observations 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 by number of observations is equal to 8. So 72 by 8 is equal to 9. X bar is equal to what? 9. So first next mod of x1 minus x bar. That's a table. You have to take table. First xi minus x bar sum. This is xi. Okay. 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. This is mod xi minus x bar. Mod xi minus x bar. So mod xi 6 minus x bar value 9. 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. 6 minus 9 minus 3. Mod of minus 3 is equal to 3. So mod of 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is equal to 2. Mod of 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Idu xi minus x bar. Mod 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Mod 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Mod 4 minus 9 is equal to mod of minus 5 is equal to 5. Mod 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Mod 8 minus 9, 13 minus 9, 4 minus 9, next to mod of 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is equal to 1. Mod of 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is sigma mod xi minus x bar is equal to adding all these values. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9. 5, 6 plus 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 19, 19, 3, 22. Okay. What is the formula? Mean deviation about mean. So 1 by n into sigma mod xi minus x bar. Sigma xi minus x bar is equal to 22. 22 by 8 is equal to 11 by 4. 22 by 8 is equal to 11 by 4. So 11 by 4 is nearly 4 2s, 8 2, 4 8, 32 and 4 7s. 7s. 2.75. This is the mean deviation about median. Okay. Mean deviation about mean for the following data. Same example 2. Example 2 homework mad. Example 2 homework. So next exercise first problem. Exercise first problem, find the mean deviation about mean for the data. Find mean deviation. Find mean deviation about mean. So what is the data? 4 7 8 9 4 7 8 9 10 12 13 17. 4 7 8 9 10 12 13 17. Mean deviation about mean. First mean deviation about mean, first we have to calculate x bar, mean. Sum of the 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 observations. So adding 17 plus 13, 20, 30, 42, 42, 10, 52, 52, 9, 61, 61, 8, 69, 69, 7, 69, 7, 76, 76, 80, 80 by 8, 80 by 8 is equal to 10, 80 by 8 is equal to 10. So, this is xi mod xi minus x bar, xi 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. Mod xi is equal to 4 minus x bar 10, 4 minus 10, 4 minus t is equal to minus 6. Mod of minus 6 is equal to 6. Mod 7 minus 10, 7 minus 10 is equal to 3. So mod 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10 is equal to 2. Mod 9 minus 10, 9 minus 10 is equal to 1. Mod 10 minus 10, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Mod 10 minus 12, 10 minus 12 is equal to 2. Mod 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. Mod 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. Sigma mod xi minus x bar is equal to 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11, 12, 14, so 15, 20. So what is the formula? Mean deviation about mean formula 1 by n into sigma mod xi minus x bar. So sigma xi minus x bar 20 by total 8, n small n is equal to 8. So that is equal to 5 by 2. 5 fours, 2 fours. 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So example 2. Example 2. What is the example 2? Same. Find mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean 12, 3, 18, 17, 4, 9, 17, 19, 20, 15, 8, 17, 2, 3, 16, 11, 3, 1, 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Example 2 also mean deviation about mean. And exercise 1 completed, exercise 2. Exercise 2 also mean deviation about mean problem. You have to homework. Mean deviation about mean. So 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 55, 54, 54, 44. This is mean deviation about mean ungrouped data, first part, first method problems, 4 problems, one example, one exercise homework. So clear? Okay. Next one, mean deviation about median for the ungrouped data, only observations. So listen. Mean deviation about mean. Example 3, mean deviation find mean deviation about median, mean deviation about median. 3 9 3 9 5 3 3 9 5 3 12 10 12 10 18 4 18 4 7 19 21 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay. So first find mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median, this is given, only observations are given. Only observations are given means this is grouped data or ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, mean deviation for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, what is the formula? Same formula, mean deviation about median. So 1 by n into sigma mod xi minus mo. Mod xi minus m, where m is the median. How to find out median? First, the given observations are arranged in ascending order or descending order. First, any order. So solution, here the number of observations are odd. Number of observations are odd. Number of observations is 11. 11 means odd. So n is equal to what? 11. Small n is equal to 11. Odd means first we have to arrange in ascending order. First odd or even or odd. Next arrange in ascending order. Arranging ascending order. First, what is the least one? 3 comma 3 2 times. After 3 4 5 7 9 10 12 3 3. Next 4. Next 5 next 7 next 9 next 10 next 12. Okay, 12 next 18 next 19 next 21. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Ascending order. So n by 2th term. First n is the odd. Odd means 11 odd. Odd andre what is the median? N plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2th term. Odd. If n is odd. If n is odd means the median is only single median. The single median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. So n plus 1 by 2. n plus 1 by 2 is 11 plus 1 by 2th. So that is equal to 6th observation. 6th observation is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th observation equal to 9. So therefore median. So median m is equal to 9. First main thing is find out median. Median is equal to 9. So next xi mod xi minus m. So xi is equal to 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 18, 19, 21. So mod 3 minus 9. 3 minus m is equal to 9. 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 6 means 6. So this is also second one 6. Mod 4 minus 9 is equal to 4. Mod 5 minus 9 is equal to 4. Mod 7 minus 9 is equal to 2. Mod 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Mod 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Mod 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Mod 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Mod 19 minus 9 is equal to 10. Mod 21 minus 9 is equal to 21 minus 9 is equal to 12. 12 plus 9 21. So sigma mod xi minus m, adding always. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 5 17, 21, 23, 24, 27, 27, 36, 46, 58. Okay, so what is the mean deviation? Mean deviation about mean. Formula 1 by n into sigma. This is sigma I is equal to how many? Total I is equal to 1 to 11, not 1 to n, because this 11 values, n is equal to 11. So xi minus mod xi minus m. Sigma mod xi minus m is equal to 58 to 58 by 11. 58 by 11 is equal to 11 5s 55. This is 3.11 2s 22 8. This is 87. 5.27. Nearly value is 5.27. Mean deviation about median, odd numbers for ungrouped data. Next one, mean deviation about median, even observation for ungrouped data. Next question. Okay. Okay, clear? Next, go to the exercise. Mean deviation about median for ungrouped data, even number of observations. So in exercise problem number 3, find mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median 13, 17, 16, 14, 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 observations. So, what is the first one? A number of observations. So, the number of observations is 12. 12 means is even. So, n is equal to 12, even number. So, first arrange ascending order. Ascending order means first small value 10, next 11, 11s are 2 times 11s, next 12, next 13, 13s are 2 times, next 14, next 16, 16s are 2 times 16s, next 17s, 17s are 2 times, next 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is ascending order. So, what is the median? The medians are n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. n by 2 observation. So, n by 2. n by 2 is equal to n is equal to 12. 12 by 2 is equal to 6th. 6th observation. What is 6th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th observation is 13. Next, n by 2 plus 1. n by 2 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 equal to 7th observation. 7th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th observation is 14th. So, average of 13 plus 14 by 2. Average of 13 plus 14 by 2. 13 plus 14 is equal to 27. 27 by 2 is equal to 13.5. 13.5. So, this is the median. This is called MO. So, table. What is the table? Xi. n by 2. n by 2 6, 7. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 plus 14 by 2, 27 by 2 equal to 13.5. So, X observations. Observations 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 2 13s, 14, 2 16s, 2 17s, 18. So, this is mod of Xi minus MO. So, mod of 10 minus 13.5 is equal to 3.5. 10 minus 13.5. Mod of 11 minus 13.5 is equal to 2.5. Mod of 11 minus 13.5 is equal to 2.5. Mod of 12 minus 13.5 is equal to 1.5. Mod of 13 minus 13.5 is equal to 0.5. Next one also 0.5. This is mod of 13 minus 13.5 is equal to 0.5. Mod of 14 minus 13.5 is also 0.5. Next, mod of 16 minus 13.5 is equal to 2.5. Next, 16 minus 13.5 is also 2.5. Next, 17 minus 13.5 is equal to 3.5. Mod of 17 minus 13.5 is also 3.5. Mod of 18 minus 13.5 is equal to 4.5. So sigma mod xi minus m is equal to 3.5 plus 2.5. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 5s 60. 60. Point. 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18, 18, 18, 10. 18, 10, 28. So what is the formula? Mean deviation about median formula. 1 by n into sigma mod I is equal to 1 to 12 xi minus m. Xi minus m is equal to 28 to 28 by n is equal to 12. So 2 14 2 6. So 2 7s 2 3s 7 by 3. Okay. 7 4s 3 4 7 by 3. 7 by 3 means 3 2s 6 1.33s 9. So 2 point nearly 2.34 or 2.3 is the answer. .33 or 2.34. So the third problem completed. The fourth problem, same fourth problem. Mean deviation about median. Same mean deviation. Fourth problem, 36, 72, 46, 42, 60, 45, 53, 46, 51, 49. Okay, this is the homework.